Hey everyone, an important milestone has been reached with the OneXFly F1 Pro, a gaming portable that is the first to use the Ryzen AI9 HX 370 processor. This device, which was produced by OneXFly, demonstrates an exceptional fusion of state-of-the-art performance with creative design. The F1 Pro promises to raise the bar for portable gaming with its 7-inch 144Hz OLED screen and Neon Genesis Evangelion-inspired limited edition models. A visual wonder, the limited edition Neon Genesis Evangelion version is based on Asuka's Unit 02 pilot. A unique and high-end vibe is created by red, gold, and silver accents, as well as the configurable RGB lights around the analog sticks. With comfortable form factor that is smaller than larger competitors like the Steam Deck and still maintains a high build quality, F1 Pro weighs 599 grams and is both lightweight and sturdy. F1 Pro's 7-inch 1080p OLED display, which can run at 144 Hz, with 152% sRGB coverage, 100% DCI-P3, and brightness levels up to 800 nits, it produces breathtaking images. This guarantees deep blacks and saturated colors, making the screen perfect for bright, high-contrast gaming. The fluidity of gameplay at higher frame rates makes up for the lack of support for FreeSync. AMD's Ryzen AI9 HX 370 CPU, which is based on Zen 5 architecture, powers F1 Pro with a base clock of 3.3 GHz and a peak rate of 5.1 GHz. It has 12 cores and 24 threads. Device employs PCIe 4.0 for storage, enabling customers to upgrade to 4 TB M.2 SSD and supports up to 64 gigs RAM. Gadget showed remarkable efficiency during testing at lesser TDPs, like 15 watts, and could scale up to 30 watts for demanding games. From independent hits like Hades to AAA games like Forza Horizon 5, where the F1 Pro scored over 80 FPS on medium settings without the need for FSR, this adaptability guarantees outstanding performance across a broad range of titles. Users can now create game-specific setups by adjusting CPU, GPU, system parameters for optimal performance, thanks to new features like performance presets. Additionally, software has battery protection mode that restricts charging when tablet is docked or plugged in order to maintain battery health. Because Gadget has 48.5 watt-hour battery, this capacity illustrates the limitations of its small form factor, even though it is adequate for modest game sessions. Because of its 12-core architecture, the F1 Pro performs better in benchmarks than rivals like the ROG Alex, especially in CPU-intensive workloads. It greatly outperformed the ROG Alex's Ryzen Z1 Extreme in Geekbench 6, scoring 2,854 in single-core and 14,100 in multi-core tests at 25-watt TDP. F1 Pro is a desirable option for gamers looking for cutting-edge performance on a portable device because of the noticeable improvement in graphical performance provided by the RDNA 3.5-based GPU. In the market for portable gaming, the OneXFly F1 Pro represents a daring advancement. It provides a compelling bundle for fans by fusing AMD's newest hardware with a gorgeous OLED display, sophisticated software, and careful design. The F1 Pro is a unique gadget in its class due to its overall performance and visual experience. This gaming handheld is ready to provide outstanding performance and flair, regardless of your level of gaming passion. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.